Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll be serving this refreshing drink called Pink Passion Fruit Cooler, which is made from Otaheiti apples and passion fruit. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's get started. I'll be using 10 apples. These apples are very sweet. Look at the rich dark color. These are called Otaheiti apples for those who don't know. I am now going to blend the passion fruit at a very low speed because I do not want to blend the seeds, just to remove the juice from the seeds. I'm adding 2 cups of water. I'm going to use the passion fruit to blend the apple. I'm adding 1 more cup of water. Half cup of sugar. And then I'm going to blend. Look at the color. I just love the color. And the texture as well. Beautiful. Serve over ice. I just love the color. Here we have it. Pink passion fruit cooler. Have with your favorite meal or snack. If you've made it this far, then you're a real one. Comment passion love in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.